What is going on, guys? It's the GM man back here with another video. Sorry the videos are kind of slow. Trying to get stuff made for the website coming out, t-shirts, hats, decals, all that fun stuff. Trying to get stuff together on the 79, like the lift kit, wheels and tires and stuff like that. But today I got to hook my truck up to the gooseneck and then load the tractor and loader up on here. We're gonna go get round bales and run them over to my dad's friend. He's basically gonna build like a wall, okay, just imagine a wall of round bales from the trailer to the tree. So they're 4x5, so I think he's gonna do 4 across the bottom and then 3. He's basically gonna be building like a back wall for like his shooting range. These round bales aren't the greatest. They have some weeds and stuff in them that are kind of toxic to animals, such as like goats, cows and stuff. So we went ahead, cut it, round baled it. He's going to use them. We got it sprayed, got everything taken care of, so we should be good for the next time. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this all hooked up, and then I'll meet you guys up at the barn lot. Okay, well, as you can see there, we have the pickup, or my truck, and the gooseneck. Here's the tractor we're going to be loading on there. It's an Allis-Chalmers D17. For some of you guys that wanted to see some of our equipment, this is one of our main loading tractors for the round bales. We have a Allis-Chalmers 185. We have my round baler, my square baler there. This is our newest tractor of this past year. It's an Allis-Chalmers 7010, roughly about 110, 115 horse. That tractor and that baler stay hooked up together. And then my grandpa has a John Deere 60. I don't know if you can see behind it, that other tractor, that's a John Deere B. So that's just some of our hay equipment that we use. Some of it's out here. We also have a Allis-Chalmers D19, which is sitting right there. Another loader, because we have another D17 down at the barn that's being rebuilt. Some hay wagons, our cutter, the 6.5. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and get these ramps thrown down and get the tractor pulled out, get it up there, and I'll see you guys soon.
Ryan Little.
Okay guys, as you can see, we got the tractor loaded on there. I don't know how well you guys could have seen the ramps, but once I got the front end up here, it put weight on the back, causing the ramps kind of kicked up. So I had to apply the brakes, slowly roll the back tires on up here to kind of shove them ramps back down, and then we went straight up on there. So I'm gonna throw a chain up on here. I'll probably go across the front somewhere and then across the back, get it all tightened down, get these ramps and everything flipped up, back the truck up, and yeah, we'll be on our way. So as far as this truck goes, towing, it does a phenomenal job. It is a 2500 brand new rear end, add a leaf in the back, so it handles really well. It hauled the 79 over to my buddy Chad's fine. You guys seen some videos of that. So I'm gonna shut you guys off real quick. I'm gonna get these ramps flipped up. I'm gonna check the fuel in the tractor here, and yeah, we'll go and get some round bales loaded up, and I'll get you guys some footage of that. Okay guys, well we made it over to the farm here. My dad's on the tractor loading, as you can see. We're gonna get these few bales here. Get these few bales loaded up and get them over to our friend's house so he can make a shooting range out of them. And that's basically gonna be the video for today. I know there's not much going on. I want to apologize for that, but I'll explain a little later in this video. Like I said, he's gonna grab a few of these bales. I think there's 2 more down there and then a couple over here. Let me jump on the trailer. We have 1 here, 1 down there in the valley. Oh, you guys can see that. And then 1 way back there. Like I said, I believe there's only like 8 or 9 or something. So we're just gonna put them on the floor. He's gonna drive the tractor over to our friend's house and then we'll unload them, ramp the tractor back up, tighten it down, and head home. So yeah, the truck's running, my phone's charging. So if you guys haven't or don't follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, I'll leave them down here, and also they're always in the description. So go check that out. On my Snapchat, I did post the lift kit and possibly the rims I'm going with on the 79. So go follow me real quick and I'll bring you guys back shortly. Okay guys, I'm sitting here in my truck waiting on my dad to finish loading me down. So I figured this would be a perfect opportunity to talk to you guys about the changes coming to the channel, some of the improvements coming, and so on and so forth. So my sister and I have actually designed a couple different t-shirts, sent them off. We're gonna get that, or the guy is gonna improve them a little bit, add a little twist to it, and we're gonna go from there. I have 4 total t-shirts, I believe, is what we came up with. Decal and possibly sunglasses, like aviator type, that we're gonna be putting on the website. The website is Shopify.com, same one Loud and Proud uses. I just want to see how everything's going to go, so I'm not going to get a whole bunch of t-shirts made and then you guys not buy them. So I'm going to get 10 of each t-shirt made, so I'll have 40 total, but 10 of each. So when they sell out, that's it until I get new ones made or more made. I don't want to order a bunch and then you guys not buy them, then I'd be stuck with all these t-shirts and stuff. So if you guys want to show some support, I'll probably have prices up here shortly once I get the t-shirts in, and we'll go from there. So as far as some vehicles come, the lift kit and wheels and tires were posted excuse me, on my Snapchat for the 79. I gotta drop some money off to him so we can get the ball rolling. Lift kit is a super lift. You guys will just have to wait to find out how tall we are going. And then the wheels, I don't know if I'm gonna go with an 18x14 or a 15x14. I'm leaning on one more than the other. I'll let you guys leave a comment down and what you think I'm gonna go with. But that's basically it for now. Work on my Brothers Impala has continued. I'll try and get some videos up of it. But like I said, I've been busy, guys, trying to get some t-shirts made for you guys to show your support to me. I will be doing another giveaway here shortly. I've been talking with a couple different people on what the next giveaway should be. So once that starts, once we get some t-shirts and stuff up on the website, I will announce the giveaway and the plans for it. So that's it, guys. I'll bring you guys back shortly when we're heading over to unload this stuff, just to kind of give you some perspective of what my everyday life is like, baling hay, loading hay, delivering hay, and all that. So like I said, sorry again, the videos are kind of bleh, but I've been super busy, and hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and I'll see you guys shortly. Okay guys, well we made it here, got everything unloaded. He's using them as a backstop way back there. See you guys. Way back there for his guns and stuff. And yeah, we got a companion. And so it worked out pretty good. That's gonna end the video. We're just gonna get it taken get the tractor taken home, get it unloaded, get the gooseneck unloaded. I'm gonna get cleaned up, and then we're gonna head to the tractor pull tonight. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you're a first-time viewer, smash that subscribe button. Let's keep the channel going. Like I said, I will be having merch up soon, so stay tuned for that. And remember, guys, learning as I do, doing what I love, and GMA out.